Hello, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's video on Vocabulary Challenge Day 14. Today I'm going to give you 6 synonyms to simpler sounding words and these words are going to help you polish your communication skills. ये synonyms definitely आपके communication skills को enhance करेंगे और आपकी vocabulary को भी build करेंगे. If you missed the other videos from the same series, you can always catch them up in the playlist section. Alright then, without any further delay, let's start with the first word for today. The first word on the list is oblivious, which means unaware. Generally हम word लगाते हैं unaware वहाँ जहाँ हमें अपने आसपास की चीज़ों के बारे में या किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में पता नहीं होता. So we can use oblivious in place of unaware. Let's take an example. She was oblivious to the snake's presence in the room. कमरे में एक सांप बैठा था, इस चीज़ से वो unaware थी. So we are using the word oblivious. The next word on the list is obsolete, which means outdated or anything that is not in use. जो भी चीज़ outdated है, अभी इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रही है, उसे हम बोलते हैं obsolete. For example, CD players are obsolete nowadays. आजकल कोई भी CD players नहीं use करता है, so that is why they have become obsolete. The next word on the list is ominous, which means suggesting something bad is about to happen. Ominous जिसे हम बुरा omen कहते हैं, that is जो हमें बताता है कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. For example, ominous clouds gathered in the sky. काली घटा आसमान में छा गई जिसे देखकर लग रहा था कि कुछ भयानक होने वाला है. So that is called ominous. The next word on the list is ostentatious, which means flashy. जिसे हम शोई भी कहते हैं. For example, it was an ostentatious wedding. मतलब बहुत ही फ्लैशी, बहुत ही दिखावे वाली शादी थी. The next word on the list is obstinate, which means adamant. जब कोई बहुत ज़्यादा अड़ियल हो जाता है किसी चीज़ पे तो हम वहाँ पर obstinate लगा सकते हैं. For example, he is obstinate to win despite the hardships. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा adamant हो गए हैं जीतने के लिए जबकि वो बहुत सारे challenges face कर रहे हैं. The next word on the list is oust, which means to remove forcefully. किसी को ज़बरदस्ती हटा देना, that is called oust. He was ousted from the party owing to his misbehavior. उन्हें ज़बरदस्ती पार्टी से बाहर निकाल दिया गया क्योंकि वो सबके साथ misbehave कर रहे थे. Alright, with that we have come to the end of the video today. I hope you enjoyed listening to and learning these words and will try practicing them in your communication next time. For more on English lessons, you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, the links to which have been provided in the description box. Tomorrow I'll be back with another word. Till then, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.